A wealthy American investor pulled up to a struggling farm and saw a man grinding in the dirt under the hot sun. "Long day?" he asked. 14 hours, the farmer said, "and I barely make anything selling vegetables." The investor picked up a handful of soil. "What's this worth?" The farmer laughed. "Nothing. It's just dirt." The investor shook his head. "That's your problem. You're not broke because of what you have, you're broke because of how you sell it." He leaned in. "You're competing with every farmer, racing prices to the bottom. Stop selling vegetables. Start selling what people actually want." The farmer frowned. "City people want to grow their own food, but they don't have land or good soil. You do. Package it. Brand it. Sell convenience." So the farmer tried it. He stopped planting, bagged his soil, built a simple online store, and marketed to urban gardeners. And everything changed. The same dirt he ignored started making more than his entire harvest ever did. By the end of the year, he was making thousands, working less, because he learned this: value isn't in the product, it's in the packaging. And the system behind it. Follow for more stories that change how you think and how you earn.